Welcome to the University of South Carolina's Digital Transformation Lab. Here you will learn about what digital transformation is, why it was developed, and how it's being used to change the world. Why did the first humans develop the first tools? We needed to accomplish more than our bodies and minds could manage, so we innovated. Humans hit harder with hammers, drive faster in cars, explore further with rockets, and live longer with medicine. Tools enable us to be our best selves. Today in this lab, our engineers are hard at work, building tomorrow's tools, rising above complex challenges, and changing the face of modern engineering. This is all possible through the principles of digital transformation. Digital transformation is more than just a singular tool. It is an entire process that takes advantage of new technologies and techniques such as artificial intelligence and augmented reality, while also utilizing and optimizing the human factor in a workflow. It is a shift in the way people think about technical challenges that combines systemic problem solving, cost reduction, product creation, and decentralization to approach the problems of the future with new methods, new mindsets, and a finely tuned drive to do better. Implementing digital transformation will lead to a decrease in cost, a decrease in time spent, and an increase in overall quality. Industries and engineering applications around the world are embracing the concept of digital transformation to attain greater levels of business, asset, and product life management. This transformation is applied to all areas of a product's life cycle, which involves the design, manufacturing, and condition monitoring of a product. Digital transformation ventures like those developed in this lab focus on four main areas of innovation: data-driven metrics, inclusivity on all levels of operation, self-learning, and human-machine interaction. This process allows for machines, systems, and users to be interconnected, affording faster decision-making and decreased operational downtime. Data-driven frameworks and metrics are essential for digital transformation and include data collection, storage, analysis, and visualizations that provide added value to a system over the span of its life. These elements allow for predictive decisions to be made from a wealth of pre-existing and live-stream data. Inclusivity in all areas of a product is a key to the implementation of digital transformation. The benefits of digital transformation can only be realized through a comprehensive implementation strategy that enhances all areas of a product, from conception and development to support and disposal. Digital transformation is a fully integrated philosophy that changes whole systems when adopted. Machine learning and self-learning technological advances continue to revolutionize the way we approach problems. Artificial intelligence and machine learning tools are essential to keeping algorithms and models up to date. Human-machine interaction is the final component to digital transformation. To aid human operators, forward-facing tools and interfaces are very important for digital transformation. Data visualizations, virtual reality simulations, and intuitive visuals all improve user understanding, leading to more cohesive outcomes. Digital twins play an important role in both digital transformation and predictive maintenance. They are a virtual representation of physical assets that can be integrated into virtual environments. As part of Industry 4.0, emerging technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and digital twins create a robust methodology for smarter monitoring of processes and assets. Digital twins are critical for predictive maintenance, as they are a virtual representation of physical assets that can be integrated into virtual environments. These can be viewed as research tools which enhance different methods of testing and analysis without damaging the physical asset. Digital twins empower a company to obtain the most effective supply chain by shipping replacement parts only when needed and streamlining all maintenance processes. As you can see, digital transformation and its related technologies are important tools that will shape the future. From providing clean water solutions to keeping infants safe and healthy to making safer aircraft and more cost-effective assembly lines, this digital transformation lab is pioneering sustainable answers to cutting-edge challenges. Please select an option below to learn more about a specific use case where digital transformation is making a difference. Or click this icon again to replay this video.